everyone, I'm Martina Fuchs. Switzerland's largest chocolate retailer, Léderach, has shops all around the world, like here in London's famous Oxford Circus. But it has only just now opened its first flagship store in Shanghai. I spoke to the company's CEO about his expansion plans and the increasingly sweet tooth of the Chinese consumers.
We're very excited to open our first store in Shanghai. We have always been loved by Chinese tourists here in Switzerland, in Lucerne, in Zermatt, in Interlaken. So a year ago, we had the courage to start with an online presence at Tmall and in our own online store with a small team in China. And the sales exceeded our wildest expectations. So we are now encouraged to open our own retail presence even earlier than planned. So we're about to open on the 27th of August our first store. We have Chinese visitors to our Swiss stores. At the moment, we miss them a lot due to COVID, but before that, they have always fallen in love with our chocolate immediately. So we see a great change in the taste. We see Chinese people aspiring for chocolate more and more, be it for gifting or be it for themselves.